Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Crystal12 here, back with another video, and I am more energetic than usual because I'm actually super excited because Playmations came out with a new animation about 2-3 days ago, maybe, called Bird Town News, and it is a original animation. I don't know why this one has it in quotes. I don't know if some other ones aren't original. Maybe the Five Nights at Freddy ones aren't original or something. Because maybe those aren't. I don't know. I might have to turn down the ISO because that's actually, I did not expect it to actually be this bright. But it looks fine. I keep on trying to do it. It's always too bright because I always try and get the background. I always want, like, the background pretty light. But can't figure out things to say. I don't know what to say!
I don't know if I should be making this video. Ah!
If you guys don't watch Charmix, you won't get that. But you know, just whatever. I'm just gonna quit stalling because I actually really want to watch this, so let's check out this video.
This is a Birdtown special report.
Ooh, super fancy.
I'm Chip Chirpley. That's me.
Hello, Chip
Yet
Chirpley.
another home has fallen from its tree, killing 3 birds inside.
Dang.
This is the 7th home to fall in the past month, and all eyes are on construction.
Super
workers.
professional, huh?
Birdhouse builder birds is Alan Tallinson.
Maybe the builders really are to blame.
Houses collapsing?
We ain't done nothing but our jobs.
You sure?
I swear it's those floozy mutters with like 20 kids just waiting to hold things down.
I have nothing to say.
Sounds like a hot debate, Alan. Let's get these 2 on the line and try to make sense of their arguments.
That's a lot of people talking at once. Huh? I can't understand you!
Work that out. Back to you, Alan. What have you got for us?
Thanks, Chip. Here I have a local...
Hey, Alan.
Yeah. What do you think about the crisis?
All we really need are some more support beams and stronger rope hooks. We could
That's
petition the mayor
true.
to give the Builder-Birds extra funding, and they'll fix our little town right up. The mayor's a lovely man, so I'm sure he'd hear us out.
Yeah, huh?
Great speech!
How about you, old senile bird?
The mayor. Riveting stuff, Alan. People really hate the mayor right now.
Why?
Yes. Incredible. The mayor is now holding a public conference to address the crisis.
Come on.
What if we just lived on the ground?
Absolutely disgraceful. What do the birds out there think, Alan?
Well, let's...
That did not go well!
Hey, you over there.
Good
Running the
God.
support beams under that house. What do you think about the mayor's comments? The what? I don't think he's heard
We
the comments
found
yet. Sorry
the
about that, Chip.
culprit.
It's all good, Alan. Really riveting stuff. But that's all the time we have for this segment. Care to
All right.
lead into the next bit, Alan?
Well, up next, we have a real riveting story.
Don't use that word, Alan.
Why?
That's my word.
Up next on Birdtown News, foreshadowing. What is it, and does it ruin punchlines?
Maybe. That did not. Aw, dang it! I spit all over my keyboard. God dang it! Come on. Literally. Look at that. I literally spit all over my keyboard somehow. How the heck did I manage to spit this much? No, pause it. I gotta do this gently. How the heck did I manage to spit that much? I don't get how I spit that much. Alright, well, that's it for this video, you guys. Other than the spit, it was actually pretty well. I liked it a lot. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to go check out Playmations or the original video in the description down below as usual. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!